Hey yo, it's Dayo. We back with another cooking video, but today I'm DB in the kitchen. Yeah.
Hey yo, super fly. Don't forget the EB. Chef on, you know. In today's cooking video, y'all know what we about to do? You see my man, he about to grab one of them jokes. Now, pull up. What the fuck it is? Cold snapper, it's a red snapper. Hey bro! Y'all know, some Dumbo, stay tuned, man. You gotta go grab the big one. Those no good. You gotta grab the big one. You see my man talking about? But they got seeds in it. Like fruit don't got seeds, bro. What do you mean, man? Leave those alone. We don't use those ever. Or those. You can turn them into bites too.
Just like praise work, I just said.
Did you put truffle in that too? Yeah, fumble some not done seasoning. I ain't seasoning.
You ain't more seasoning. No, those are the.
And she over here is grinding cheese.
No. This is mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And the barbecue.
Yeah, see? I was already on point.
Let me get that back.
Man, that junk coming out. It's all good. Them ribs, they need to be seasoned extra. You hear me? Extra. Wagga. Alright, push up. I'm finna show y'all stuff. So we do chicken, batter, flour. Batter. Get that up in there.
Shrimp is clean.
Should we double dip it in there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show y'all something real nice. Really, we do double work.
We'll mix it as much as possible.
Push up. So we got the my man got the we got the going good.
You record and brush it at the same time?
Record. Now brush it.
Yeah, man.
It's like painting class. Hey, get us going. Would you eat that? We gotta ask the people. Look at that. They would eat that.
You supposed to use a tiny bit. You gotta get double fried.
Oh, I ain't hear nothing you're saying. I'm deaf. Mom, you have 2 trays? Is this 2 trays?
Yeah, the tray is under the sink.
There's another
I try to get it.
You, so if you don't get it right, that's fine. Yeah, all this. No, she has to be actually. Yeah, I will.
Dude, that don't smell like straight seafood. Not gonna lie.
Oh, say that's enough onions, sir. On the butter, you can stop again.
Stop on the butter. Homemade butter, I made it homemade. Hold up, bruh.
She can't see it.
She be alright. We'll go down. Pepper goes on everything.
They let me forget about it. I told them let me do this thing.
Not crunchy.
Yeah.
Nah, work.
You gotta be quiet on set.
I'm good.
Yeah, I can. That's the lady upstairs. I'm gonna ask her.
I love cutting this one. Why? So big and bulky. If you get a older one, this it's better. I'm busting up the knife.
Yeah, let me see it.
Need some salt? Yeah, I ain't put no salt.
She dressing his drink, sir?
Come on.
All right, well, listen. But this is talking. It is looking right. But I know myself, I couldn't do it. This one looked the juiciest, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, tell me what that John talking about, man.
It's right.
Not spicy? Not
Spicy. Spicy, for sure.
For sure?
First couple bites, that was cool. Right?
She double bit that, John. We locked in.
You like spicy?
It's good? Mm-hmm. Oh.
Oh!
Is it good? Yeah. Okay. That's all good.
It's good, but it needs some more seasoning.
Yeah.
You room before you made it?
Taste test. I'm gonna tell y'all right now.
Come on, bro.
Smacky on.
Hit 'em.
Smacky on.
It's Gucci, right? But it needs.
Smack it on.